right, let's do it up. A little bit of thoracic spine. Inhale deep through nose. Exhale deep through nose. Chest down. Whole way down. Relax chest. Nice. Breath in deep. Exhale down, chest down, deep, shoulders down. 1, 2. Good. Breath in. Exhale down, chest down, shoulders down. 1, 2. One more time in Andrea. Inhale deep. Exhale, whole way down. We're going to go a little deeper with this chest. 1, 2. Nice work. Deep inhale again. Exhale deep through the chest. Relax the shoulders down. Don't hold breath. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. Face over here, left side up for me. Leg for me. And never before us, never been to a chiropractor at all. Breath in. Exhale, roll. 1, easy, shoulders open. 2, other side for me. Beautiful. Low back from day 1 was adjusting really nicely. Scooch towards me. Thoracic spine will loosen up with a little bit more palms down and open, palms down and in. Look straight up to the ceiling. Inhale deep. Exhale, slight roll. Easy, shoulders open. Don't hold breath. Open these. Nice. Flattening your back for me. Easy, relax. Beautiful. Easy, relax on the. Beautiful. Awesome.